Good morning everyone. In this video, we will continue our discussion on the topic arithmetic progression. This is chapter 5 and class 10th mathematics. Do you know, before we jump into the session, we have covered many things from chapter 1 to chapter 5. There are real numbers, second linear equation, quadratic, polynomial, quadratic equation. There are many things we have covered. Now in chapter 5, we have defined many things related to finding out the nth term. Now we are focusing in especially to find out the sum of first nth term. Clear? Especially we are focusing to find out the first nth term. What is first nth term? This is our journey. Clear? Suppose that we have the series such that like a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on up to L, before this L minus d. And these are the n term. Clear? And we know what is the value of nth term. This is the last term. We know, we have defined already. This is first term plus n minus 1 into d. This is the last term. So I want to add this. So please, we should construct in other way such that a is the first term, second term a plus d. Now third term is a plus 2d, and so on, L minus d and L. Now we can write in another way this series from last number L, L minus d, L plus L minus 2d, and so on up to a, before this a plus d. Clear? Now add it. If we add, what we get? Here 2s. Clear? Now here a plus L. Then again here d will be cancelled out. Then we get only a plus L. And do you know there are n term only? So we can get only n times a plus L. That is clear, because these are n terms. So we are getting only a plus L. So it will be n times. So we can write this n into a plus L. Clear? Right? Now what is the value of s? N by 2 a plus L. We can write in another way, n by 2 a plus, put the value of L, it will be 2a, it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. That will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? That is the answer. Now here look at this figure. These are the first nth term given by. Clear? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can also write this edge n by 2 a plus we have covered this. Now here we will solve the exercise related this is exercise 5.3. so first question is that find the sum of the then s will be first up to 10 term. So we should have first term a, here is a, then difference is 5, then n is 10. Clear? Now 10 by 2, first 2a, that means 2 into 2, plus n minus 1, that means 9, into d means into 5. Clear? Then 2 5 ja 10, here 5, 2 2 ja 4, plus 9 4 ja 45, then we can get 5 into 49, and then we can get 5 9 ja 45, 5 4 ja 20, or 20 24. Clear? This is the result for first part. Now for second part, what will be the result? For second part, we can here n is 12 and a is minus 37. What is the d? Minus 33, minus minus plus 37, then 37 minus 33, it will be 7 minus 3, that means 4. Clear? Then s 12, 12 by 2, then here we will write 2 into minus 37, then n minus 1, that means 11, into d, that means 4. We solve it. Now 2 to cancel out, then it will be 12, here minus 37, and here plus 11 into 2, 11 into 2, we can write 12 and minus 37, 22. Then we can write 12 into 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, then 5. 12 5 just 60, here minus 12 5 ja 60, 12 1 ja 12, 12 6 18. That is the answer. Clear? Now for third, we should take another slide. Here for third, we will tell you everything about this AP series. We can write here 0.6, 1.7 second term, and third term is 2.8. We can recognize any series which series is arithmetical progression, related geometrical progression, any. We should take only 3 terms. It is essential, it is mandatory to recognize the series. Clear? Then we will here for 100 terms. Clear? Now up to 100 terms. Now S100 will be 100 now S100 100 by 2, then 2 into 0.6 plus n minus 1, that means 99, into d. What will be 7 minus 6 will be 1, that means 1.1. Clear? That means 1.1. Here d. Here 50 will come, 6 2 ja 12, that means 1.2, plus here multiplication of 11 and 99. 11 9 ja 9, then 11 9 ja 99, 99 9 108, then point here. Clear? We should add 50 into, if we add 9 to 11, then 1 come, then 8 1 9 9, 9 and 1 10, then 1 and 1. Clear? Now if we multiply with 50, then we can get 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5, then that means 55, 0 and 5. There is 0, so eliminated decimal. Now in fourth part, the series is given. One by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 up to 11 term. Clear? 1 by 15, 1 by 12 and 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 up to 11th term. Then find out the sum. So first we should find out the difference between D. What will be 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15? Clear? Then what will be the difference? Clear? Then what will be the difference? Here LCM of 12 and 15 will be 60. Then 5 minus 4, that will be 1. So D will be 1 by 60. Now what is the sum of 11 term? That is 11 by 2, and 2 into 1 by 15 plus n minus 1, that means 10 into D. D is 160. Clear? Now if we divide by 2, then we can get 1 by 15 and plus 5 by 60. There is 60, there is no 60, so we should equal the denominator part. For 60 we should multiply with 4. Then we can get 4 upon 60, which is 9 by 5 plus 4 is 9 by 60. Clear? Now what is the number of this? 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6. Clear? 11 3 ja 33, then upon 20. This is the answer of S11. Now we should move on next question. That is the question, find the sum given below. First is 7, 10, 1 by 2. Here we can find out the sum. Clear? Now what is the difference? For common difference, first D will be 10 1 by 2 minus 7. This is 10.5 minus 7. Then 10 minus 7 will be 3.5. Clear? Then we can write this in another way. 3 1 by 2, 3 2 just 6, 7 by 2. Clear? This is the common difference. Then we should know in the information about n. Then what will be the value of n? So here nth term is given. So 84 will be equal to a plus, then a is here, a is first term, a 7, a plus n minus 1 into d. D is 7 by 2. Clear? Now, what is the difference of 84 minus? Clear? What is the difference 84 minus 7? Minus 7 here, n minus 1, 7 by 2. This will be 67, 77. Clear? Now here n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Then we can get 7, say it will be cancelled out. Here we will get 11, n minus 1 by 2, then 22 equal to n minus 1, then we will get n 23. That will be the answer. Now, what is the sum of these? We got the value of n, so s 23. There are 23 numbers, then sum of 23 by 2. Here 2a, 2 into 7, then plus n minus 1, that means 22 into d. D is given 7 by 2. Clear? Now cancel out from 2. 23 by 2. Here we will get another number, 14 plus is 77. Clear? Then we get another number. Now, if we do not use this formula, we can use directly a plus l. Clear? Then we can get the same value here. S23 will be here 23 by 2 into 91. If we multiply, we get 2093 upon 2. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 0, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, and 2 6 ja 12, and 2 6 ja 12. Then 1 is remaining, so here 1 by 2. That will be the answer. Clear? Our first part. Now we should come on for second part. Now second part is given 34, 32, 30 up to 10. Then 34, second part, 34, 32, 34, 32, and 30 up to 10. Clear? Here is plus and plus. Now here is a is first term, d is 32 minus 34. Clear? D is 32 minus 4. Then what will be the difference? This is minus 2. Clear? Clear? Now for what? For n, what will be the value? There is 10 is given, so we write here 10. Then first term is 34. We don't know what is the value of n, so we should take n, and there is difference minus 2. Put here 10 minus 34 minus 2 into n minus 1. This will be minus 24. Here minus 2 n minus 1. Now minus will be cancelled out, we will get 12 and n minus 1. Then value of n will be 12 plus 1, 13. This is the value of n. Now here we have information about d, n and first term. Then we are able to, and also have a last term. Then we are able to find out the sum of 13 terms. Now 13 by 2, then first term is 34. Now say last term is 10. Then we can write 13, and if we divide it, we get here 17, here 5. Clear? Then 13 and into 7 plus 5, that means 22. 13 to the 26. Then we can get 286. This is the answer. Now third part of the question, minus 5, 8, 11 up to 230. 5, 8, 11, 230. So we should take next slide. Here is the third part. Third part of the question is given that minus 5, clear, plus minus 8, plus then minus 11 up to minus 230. What is the sum of this? Clear? Then for D, minus 8 plus 5, clear, minus 8 plus 5. Now we get the value of D minus 3. Clear? Now for N, here for N, what will be the value? This will be with the help of last term minus 230, with the help of first term minus 5, plus we don't have information about n, then we put directly minus 3. Every term exists with minus, so we eliminate this. 235 plus 3 into n minus 1. Then here 230 minus 5, 3 into n minus 1, we got 225. We got 225 equal to 3 into n minus 1. Now 5 to 7 to 9, so we can multiply, we can divide it. 3 7 ja 21 and 3 5 ja 15. Here n minus 1, then n will be 76. Clear? Now we have information about D, n and last term and first term. Now we are able to find out the value of sum of 76 term. Clear? Now 76 by 2, and there is first term and there is my last term. This is 76 by 2. What will be the answer? Clear? 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 38. Here 235 with minus. Clear? With minus. Now what will be the result of this? If we multiply, we can get here answer will be 8930 after multiplication. Clear? Now there is no question remaining in this part, so we should move on third part of this. Here A5, D3, AN50 is given. Then now find the n and Sn. Clear? Sum of nth term. Then what will be the, this is the first, A is given, D is given. How can I solve it? And nth term is given. Then we can write 50 equal to A, that means 5, n. We don't have information about n, into, but we have information about D. Then it will be 50 minus 5 will be 45. Then it will be n minus 1 into 3. Then we can write 15 equal to n minus 1. We can write n equal to 16. That is the value of n. If we have information about n, then we can find out the Sn. Here 16 by 2, and first term is 5 and last term is 50, that is 55. 2 8 just 16, and here 55. Clear? Here 55. Now what is the value of 8 into 55? This is the value of 8 4 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40. Then it will be 440. Now for second part we should take a new slide. For second part, here in second part, A is 7, A13 is given. Find D and S13. Here A is 7 and A13 is given 35. Clear? Then find out the value of D and S13. Clear? So how can I find out the value? A13 is given, then we should use this 35. Then 35 is equal to will be first term. Then here it will be first term 7 plus we have information about n is 13, then here 12. Clear? Into D we don't have information about D. Now 35 minus 7 is 28. Here 12 D, then D will be 28 by 12. Here 28 by 12, this will be 4 7 ja 28 and 4 3 ja 12. Then we can say D will be 7 by 3. Clear? Now we are able to find out the value of 13. It will be n by 2. N is 13. Clear? 13 by 2. A is 7 plus L, that means last term, 13th term is 35. Then if we add, we get 13 by 2 and 42. Clear? This is the 21 2 ja, so we can write here 21, and after a multiplication we get 273. That is our answer. Now we should move on next part, third part, where A12 is 37, D is 3. Find A and S12. Clear? Now we should take next slide. Here A is given. Here this is the part of, and this is the third part. So A12 37, A12 37, and D is 3. Find A and S12. D is 3. Here this is the third part. Clear? Find A and S12. Clear? It is our aim. D is given. Now how can I solve it? This is the fourth part. Now we have covered it. Here S10 is given. 125 is equal to n by 2. That means 10 by 2. And first term 2 into A. 2 into A and plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1, that means 9 into D. Here it will be 5. Here 125. Clear? It will be 125 and 2A plus 9D. Now 5 to the 10 and 5 to 25 equal to 2A plus 9D. That is the first equation. Now in second equation is that A3 is given, that is 15 equal to A plus 2D. Then we can find out the value of A. It will be 15 minus 2D. This is equation 2. Put here the value of, put 1. We get 25 equal to 2 into A, that means 30 minus 4D plus 9D. Then we get 25 30 plus 5D. Clear? Then 5D equal to 25 minus 30, that means minus 5, and D equal to minus 1. Here D, we got the value of D. Now A10 will be A plus, here we can get the value of A. A will be 15 minus 2 into minus 1, minus plus 15 minus 2 will be 13. Then A is 13 plus 9 D. D is minus 1. 13 minus 9, that will be 4. So 18 is 4. Now this is the complete list of third. There are more questions. So here fifth part is of this question. D is 5, S9 75. Find A and A9. This is the same as now. 75 equal to, first we will solve. Clear? Okay. 75 equal to 9 by 2 and A plus D5 d equal to 5, n minus 2a n 8 into d d is 5. Clear? Then we get information here 9 by 2, 9 into a plus 4, 2 4 ja 8, then 5 4 ja 20. Now clear? We can divide it, so we can write here a plus 20, 75 by 9. Then if we solve it, we get 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, and 3 3 ja 9. Now a will be 25 by 3 minus 20, then 3 2 ja 60, 25 minus 60 upon 3, that will be minus 35 by 3. Here we got the value of a. Clear? Now what is the value of a9? Is minus 35 by 3 and minus 35 by 3 plus 8 and d is 5. Clear? Minus 35 by 3 plus 40, then minus 35 plus 120 upon 3, 120 minus 35. Clear? 120 minus 35, it will be 85 by 3. That is our answer. Now we should take next slide for question number 6. Now what is the question number 6? Question number 6 such that given A2 D8 SN90, A2 D8 SN90. Clear? Now find n and an. What is the value of n? What is the value of an? That is our aim. Clear? Now how we can find out these? Here Sn is 90 given that, then we can 90 and by 2, here 2a 2 2 ja 4 plus n minus 1 into d is 8 given, n into here 2 2 ja 4, 2 plus 4n minus 4, then we can write here n into 4 minus 2, then 4n minus 2, here 90, and if we divide 2 we get 45, here n into 2n minus 1, that is n. If we put some value, we can get this answer. Clear? Directly. But with the help of solution, here 9 5 ja 45, this is 9 5 ja 45. If 5 is n, then we can write 2 into 5 minus 1 into 5. So because it is 45, so n will be 5. This is the way to find out the solution without using quadratic equation. Clear? Now we got the value of n, and what is the value of an? An equal to a plus n, 2 plus n minus 1, that means 4 into d. Clear? 4 into d. D is 8. D is 8. 8 4 ja 48. No, it is 32. 32 and 2 will be 34. Clear? Then we got the answer. Clear? Now we should move on next part of the question. This is the 6th. Now we will move on 8th part of the question. 7th part of the question. Clear? Now 56, 7th. Now what is the question? A is 8 given. A is 8. An is 62. A is 8. An is 62. And An is 62 and Sn is 210. 210. Then find out the n and d. N and d. Clear? Now what is the solution of this? Now we use Sn equal to 210. Now 210 equal to n by 2 and a plus l, 8 plus 62. Then 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2. N into 35. Here 210. If we divide by 3 7, we get here 30. 7 3 ja 21 and n into 7 5 ja 35. Then n will be 6. 5 6 ja 30. We got the n. Then what is the value of d? We can solve it. It will be an is 62. Then 62 equal to a 8 plus n is 6 minus 1, that means 5 into d. Clear? 62 minus 8. 62 minus 8 equal to 5d, and here 4, here 5. 5d, then d will be 54 by 5. Clear? This is our answer. Now there is no question here. Now we should move on next question. Question number 8. Here an is given, d is given, Sn is given. Find n and a. Find n and a. What will be the solution? We should use an. N is 4 is given. A plus n minus 1, n minus 1 into d. D is 2. Then we should solve a plus 2n minus 2, here 4. Then we can find out the value of a. A will be 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 2n. Clear? This is equation 1. Now for other solution, here Sn is given. Sn is given. Sn is given. Sn is minus 14. Minus 14 equal to n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. 2 cancel out, then n will into a plus n minus 1. Here we have information about n. Put the value of, put a, n into a, here 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. Clear? Then we got Sn, that means minus 14 will be n into minus 2n minus n 6 minus 1 5 minus n. Clear? Here we can write 14 equal to n into n minus 5. Then we should choose such type of number which is, now here if this is 7 to the 14, 2 and 7, it's 14, which is equal to n into n minus 5. Then we can write this number, if we do 7, then 7 minus 5 we can, so n is 7. This is our n. Clear? Here we are able to find out n, and with the help of n we can use from 1, we can use 6 minus 2 7 ja 14, here 8 minus. Clear? That is the answer. Now for next question is 9th, so we should take another slide for 9. Here 9 question is given, a is 3 and n is 8 and s is 192. Clear? Now here find d. What is the d? Then we should find out with the help of these. 192 is given, n is 8 by 2 and 2a 2 3 is 6 plus n minus 1 into d, and n is given 7 d. Then 2 4 is 8, here 4 and 6 plus 7 d, here 192. We can 4 4 is 16 and here 3 4 8 is 32 and 6 plus 7d, here 42, here 7d, then d will be 6. That is the answer. Now for 10th part, L last term is given 28 and S is 144. There are total 9 terms. Find A. Clear? Now for 10th question. Here in 10th question, last term is 28 given and S is equal to 144 is given and n is 9 also given. Then we can use 144, which is the clue. 144, it is 9 by 2. We don't have information about A, so A plus L. L is last term, Now here we multiply it, but we should 144 upon 9 into 2, here a plus 28. Clear? Now here we can simplify it. It is divisible by 9. It is 16. So 16 into 2, a plus 28, 32 minus 28, it is a. Then a will be 32 minus 28, which is 4. Clear? That is our answer. So this is the longest exercise, so we will solve in upcoming videos in next week continuously. So please wait and watch for next video. Thank you.